Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Charge the mouse, power it on, and enable Bluetooth on your mobile. Once done, put the mouse into pairing mode by holding its pairing button for 2 to 5 seconds. An LED should blink. On your phone open settings then Bluetooth, you will see available devices populate the list. Tap the mouse name to pair. You do this first so the device appears promptly and avoids reconnection delays. Quick, reliable pairing saves time. You now complete the middle steps. Follow Android's connected devices, pair new device, or on iOS open Bluetooth and tap the mouse name. When prompted, accept any pairing code or confirm. After the connection, go to Accessibility or Pointer settings to tweak pointer speed, scroll behavior, and primary button. Make sure to enable gesture support in apps that use it. These steps fine-tune control and responsiveness, so the mouse feels natural across menus and text editing. You finish by testing left/right-click, scroll wheel, and cursor movement in several apps. Confirm precision and speed. Make adjustments to pointer sensitivity if needed, and disable aggressive battery savers that can drop Bluetooth. Keep your phone OS updated for best compatibility. If the mouse misbehaves, unpair and repair, reboot the phone, or reset the mouse. Replace batteries if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: repairing usually fixes common connection glitches quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.